Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all safe and healthy. We have learned about bones, functions of bones, and classification of bones in the last class. Yes, our body is supported by a framework of bones called the skeleton. The hard parts of the body called bones. What is called marrow? Inside the bones, there is a soft jelly-like substance called the marrow. Where the blood cells are formed, inside the marrow. How many bones are there in the human body? 206 bones. The framework of 206 bones are called skeleton or skeletal system. This skeleton gives shape to our body and protects the inner organs like brain, kidney, heart, liver, etc. How many groups of bones are there? 4 groups. What are they? Long bones, short bones, flat bones, and irregular bones. Different parts of the skeleton protect different important organs of the body. First one is skull. The human skull is the part of the skeleton that supports the structures of the face and forms of a cavity for the brain. It is a bone structure of the head. Skull protects the brain, eyes, and ears. Skull gives our face a shape. It is made up of 22 bones that are fixed except the lower jaw. The upper jaw is part of the skull. The hardest bones in the body are located at the sides and base of the skull. Our skulls are very hard because they are made of bones. Skull is a vital bone in the body as it houses the brain. It is one of the delicate organs in the body. It serves as the protection for the brains and the facial skeleton. It consists mostly of thin-walled bones. Skull protects the brain from injury. Our lower jaw bone is the only bone in our head we can move. It opens and closes to let we talk and chew food. All babies are born with spaces between the bones in their skulls. We have teeth in the upper and lower jaw that helps us to bite and chew food. Next type of bone is backbone. Backbone is also called the vertebral column. This vertebral column helps us to stand erect. The vertebral column found in vertebrate animals which runs along the dorsal side and contains the central nerve cord. It runs from the base of the skull to the pelvis. It serves as a pillar to support the body's weight and to protect the spinal cord. Backbone encloses the spinal cord and the fluid surrounding the spinal cord. It is also called vertebral column, spinal column, and spine. Backbone protects the all important spinal cord and bundle of nerves that run from your brain through your spinal column and branch out to the rest of the body. This vertebral column helps us to stand erect. It is made up of many small disc-like bones called vertebrae. These vertebrae are joined together to form vertebral column. There are 33 vertebrae in backbone. It is very flexible. We should maintain our vertebral column in good shape. Yoga is a good exercise for the vertebral column. Next type of bone is rib cage. Rib cage is located in the chest. This rib cage is the arrangement of ribs attached to the vertebral column and sternum in the thorax of most vertebrates that encloses and protects the heart and lungs. There are 12 pairs of ribs that are joined together to form a cage like structure around the chest called the rib cage. Sternum is a long flat bone located in the central part of the chest. It connects to the ribs. The ribs directly join with the backbone at the back. Good morning, children. Did you refer the book about bones? Which is the hardest part of our body? Bones. Is it? How many bones are there in the human body? 206 bones. Okay? How many bones? 206 bones. These 206 bones join together, they form skeleton. Okay, human skeleton. What is the meaning of marrow? Inside the bones, they have jelly-like substance called the marrow. Okay, where the blood cells are formed? The blood cells are formed in the marrow. Okay, the blood cells are formed in the marrow. Different types of skeletons protect their inner organs or inner parts of our body. Okay, which are the different types of skeleton? Skull, backbone and rib cage. Okay, skull, backbone and rib cage. These are the different types of backbone. Listen, skull, where it is found? Skull is found on the head. Okay, how many bones are there? The skull is made up of 22 bones join together, it make the skull. Okay, the skull is made up of 22 bones. Listen here, these 22 bones join in the upper jaw. See, in our mouth we have two jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw. Okay, inside our mouth we have teeth. Is it in the upper jaw and lower jaw? What is the use of this teeth? It is chewing the food. Is it? It is chewing the food. The upper jaw and lower jaw used to chewing the food. Okay, how many bones are there in the skull? 22 bones. This skull is protecting our eyes, brain and ears. Okay, the skull is protecting our eyes, ears and brain. Okay, next one is backbone. Okay, where is the backbone? Backbone is in the middle. Okay, backbone is in the middle. Without backbone we cannot stand erect. Okay, when we sitting in on the chair or any one place, how to stand? We should stand straightly. For that, the backbone is used to stand erect. Okay. What is the other name of backbone? Spine, spinal cord, then vertebral column. Spinal column or vertebral column. Vertebral column. In our backbone, they have 33 vertebrae. These vertebrae are in disc-like structure. Okay, like disc-like structure. Okay, these are the 33 vertebrae joined together. It's form a backbone or vertebral column. Okay, when we do the exercise like yoga, it is good for our backbone. Okay, do you understand the backbone? Yes. Next type is rib cage. Okay, the rib cage is found in the chest. Okay, total 12 pairs of ribs. 12 pairs of ribs joined together, it make a rib cage. Okay, the rib cage is protecting the internal organs, heart and lungs. Okay, the rib cage protecting the internal organs like heart and lungs. How many pairs of ribs are there? 12 pairs of ribs joined together, it make a rib cage. It is found on the chest. Do you understand? Children, in the last class we have learned about main functions of the bones. Okay, do you remember what are the main functions of bones? The bones give shape and structure to our body. Is it? Next, the bones protect our internal organs of the body or internal parts of the body. Then blood cells are formed inside the marrow of a bone. What is the meaning of marrow? Marrow is inside the bones. There is a jelly-like structure called marrow. Okay. In which of the topics today we have learnt? Skull, backbone and rib cage. Did you understand this? Then you should refer the book. Okay children? Thank you.